Hi everyone, now Sunday. Georgi visited my home. Georgi explained what happened in Balibago.
In Balibago, I don't know what about Balibago. I know about the building.
Collapsed building.
Collapsed, yes.
In front of the Norma exchange.
Yes. And I don't have electricity in my apartment in Malabanes. So I don't know, is it related to the building collapse or not? But since 10 a.m. Already 6 hours, almost 7 hours, no electricity. That's why I was forced to take off everything from my refrigerator and bring to Leon in his refrigerator, because I have some fish and butter. So if I lose everything, it may cost me about 1,000 pesos. So I want to save in refrigerator. Yes.
Temperature right now 36, very hot. So we're going now to the Balibago and I will show to you what's happened with building and walk around. So now I will walk and show to you, because I cannot park my car near choking, it's always road is closed. I will show now.
Dati yan po nag-JJ ako. Okay lang yun. Eh, hindi mo kuha tayo para nag-JJ.
A major tragedy struck Angeles City early Sunday morning after a 9-story building under construction suddenly collapsed in Barangay Balibago. Right now, the entire area is filled with emergency responders. Rescue teams, firefighters, police officers, and disaster response units arrived from nearby provinces to help with the massive operation. Television reporters and news crews are everywhere, covering the situation live as search and rescue efforts continue through the night. Police have completely closed off the streets leading to the collapsed structure. Only authorized rescue personnel are allowed near the site because the building remains unstable and dangerous. According to authorities, the building collapsed at around 3 a.m., while many construction workers were sleeping inside. Initial reports suggest that heavy overnight rain and strong winds may have contributed to the disaster. Officials estimate that between 30 and 40 workers were inside the building when it came down. So far, 26 people have been rescued or managed to escape safely. Tragically, one person has been confirmed dead, while around 20 others are still missing beneath the rubble. Rescue teams are working non-stop, using heavy equipment, rescue dogs, and specialized search tools to locate survivors trapped under the debris. Every minute is critical as crews continue carefully searching through the collapsed concrete and twisted metal. One of the most difficult recovery operations involved a Malaysian citizen who was reportedly trapped inside his room on the second floor of a nearby hotel affected by the collapse. Later, the Bureau of Fire Protection confirmed that rescuers recovered the body of the Malaysian national during clearing operations near the damaged hotel beside the collapsed building. Authorities say the search and rescue mission will continue until every missing person is accounted for. The tragedy has shocked residents across Angeles City as families wait anxiously for updates from emergency teams working at the scene.
Karena ang sabihin niya ang paragdag niya.
Ay, pingkalaut tadi dana, ilang ating sakit.
Bahay sabi ni siap na. Ano tayo?